Hey guys, it's Zach. I got myself another Canon lens to go with my 18 to 55mm kit lens and the 50mm f1.8, which has been my go-to lens for most of my recent videos. For under $200, the EF-S 24mm f2.8 STM pancake lens will help complement my arsenal of lenses by giving me the quality of a prime lens with the wider angle to make framing larger objects much easier. The unboxing experience is consistent with the 50mm f1.8 with an instruction manual and the lens itself wrapped carefully in bubble wrap. The first thing you notice about this lens is how small it is compared to other Canon lenses. Here it is side by side with my 18 to 55mm kit lens and also the 50mm f1.8. Weighing in at under 125 grams and 3 centimeters in length makes this the slimmest and lightest Canon EF-S lens you can buy. On APS-C bodies like my Canon 70D, it allows me to capture images at a 38mm equivalent angle of view. Here is a comparison of the field of view you get. Firstly, let's look at the 50mm lens. Now let's swap that out for the 24mm, and with all the settings the same, we get a much wider field of view. For a sub $200 lens, build quality from the lens's plastic body is adequate and should stand up to normal usage. One drawback with the small size of the lens body is that the manual focusing ring is very narrow, which can make adjusting manual focus a little bit tricky when compared to larger lenses. As with my kit lens and 50mm, the 24mm features selectable autofocus and a stepping driver control for quieter and smooth autofocus during filming. You can use live view on the Canon 70D's LCD screen to touch focus points in the frame, and upon my testing, the lens focused quickly and with minimal noise. In low light testing, the 24mm opens up to f2.8, which isn't as low as f1.8, which you can get on the 50mm. However, I cranked up the ISO to 6400. Here's what you can expect in low light conditions, and as you can see, it still trumps the camera on my iPhone 6 Plus. While I absolutely love the Canon 50mm, there will be situations where a wider angle lens is essential. At under $200, the 24mm f2.8 is a bargain to add to your collection. Well, my name is Zach, and we'll see you in the next video.